Oh, where's the gas? Remember, it's right here. This. Oh my gosh! Now you need it to back up, so you push it the other way.
This one?
Yeah, you push it this way. Oh. Now you chase Sissy down with it.
Hey, he's pretty good.
It's been ready to make a message, Mommy. This is really awesome.
That's the third awesome I've heard this morning.
No, it's my awesome game.
It's awesome.
Just my awesome Mighty Mega Monster Truck.
Now you chase Mommy.
No, let's not chase Mommy.
Patrick, would you like to say a little something for the camera?
You like that truck, Patrick?
What?
You like your monster truck?
Yeah. You see this?
I see.
That makes the car my big magic truck go.
Okay, let me see. Show me. Woo!
That's my super truck.
And make it go backwards.
As you go backwards, remember how to do that? You push the trigger the other way. No. Come
Here,
here.
let Mr. Nick show you.
Come here, Patrick. See this?
Oh, sweet.
If you want it to go backwards, you push that forward. See?
Just push the headlights. That's cool.
Patrick's playing with it right now, honey. Patrick play with his toy a little bit, and then he'll share, okay? Oh, leave the shirt on. Why you get naked?